Hello, and welcome to the premiere of our eye-opening series, Debunking Real Estate Myths. Each month, we're committed to uncovering the truths and dispelling the myths within the real estate market. Our focus this month is on understanding the invaluable role of buyer's agents. These professionals are often misunderstood and surrounded by myths. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what a buyer's agent does, how they can be your greatest asset, and why the myths about them couldn't be further from the truth. Today, we embark on our first journey together as we explore the role of a buyer's agent. We'll dive deep into their responsibilities, how they assist in the home buying process, and confront the common myths about their influence on property prices. Ready to become a savvy home buyer? Let's get started. This week, we're zooming in on property search and matching client needs. It's a critical aspect of what buyer's agents do best. Let's unravel how they navigate the vast property market to find you the perfect home. Imagine having a trusted advisor who understands your vision of the ideal home. Buyer's agents begin their journey with you by thoroughly understanding your needs, lifestyle, and budget. They leverage their extensive network, local market knowledge, and past experiences to provide options you may not find on your own. They use tools like the MLS, a comprehensive database of listings, to filter and find properties that match your criteria, but their work goes beyond just technical searches. Now, let's address a widespread myth. Do buyer's agents push for higher priced properties to increase their commission? Absolutely not. Ethical standards and a commitment to your best interest guide reputable agents. They aim to find you the right home at the right price. So, how can you make the most out of your relationship with buyer's agents? Communication is key. The more they know about your preferences, the better they can serve you. Remember, their success is tied directly to your satisfaction. And that's a wrap on our first topic in the Debunking Real Estate Myths series. Buyer's agents are more than just door openers. They are dedicated professionals committed to finding your ideal home. Stay tuned for next week's episode as we continue to explore and debunk the myths of real estate. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or myths you'd like us to tackle. Until next time, happy house hunting!